Good morning. Got anything to say? Day two?
Yes, good morning.
That's all I got.
Yeah, that's it.
We slept on a small little trailer last night. I couldn't see anything last night. I don't even know where I have no clue where we are. No idea. I just had a lot of fog and sand, but apparently I was dragging a rear brake. So. Who needs a rear brake, right? Anybody bring a rear brake line as a spare?
All I see is that wash right there. That's where I was heading.
We're following a trail, but it's not really a trail. It's just a washed out where water drains off when it flash floods, basically. Following a little black line on a map using Gaia GPS. And every so often when we make some sort of abrupt turn, we stop and wait for the guy behind us to catch up, and we kind of just daisy chain it like that. But we're pretty sure, well, I know there's guys in front of us, and I'm pretty sure there's guys behind us, but I don't hear their engines back there. This is not the place you want to get left by yourself and lost and run out of water. I mean, you'd probably die if you broke down here by yourself with no water, right? Sand is something else. You got to kind of just lean back and just like you're on snow, you know, ski through it. We had a gas tank problem and a cactus problem, apparently. We got a bent shifter.
We tried bending it with our hands. We couldn't.
For this truck here. That didn't go well for this guy.
Oh yeah.
Whew. Fixing the saddlebag?
Yep.
Is that what we're doing?
That's right.
Pretty tough hill climb. Pretty much everybody's getting hung up somewhere. Hey, apparently there was an easier trail that I was not informed of. What are we doing? Loving life? Loving life. How'd you do coming up that?
I did all right. I got lucky.
Lucky, yeah, right. That's a whole lot of motos. We got a nerve right now.
Oh, is this the puppy's mom?